Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're new here, my name is Linden Houston, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a tropical pineapple and kiwi immune booster drink. Refreshing also and tasty. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. Let's get into the video. For this, I'll be using fresh pineapple, ripe kiwi, and lemon, and a bit of coconut water and coconut in this. For that smooth tropical taste, pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, great for immune and digestive, while kiwi is rich in antioxidant and fiber. This is a natural, sweet, and hydrating healthy juice recipe, perfect for any time of the day. So first, let's put things together. What I have here, I have a whole pineapple, but I do not need all of this. So I'll be using about half to a quarter. Remember when making this, make it to your lightness and the strength and the thickness, because while blending these, the pineapple combined with the kiwi and a bit of coconut and the coconut water is going to give you that thickness. So remember to adjust it to your lightness. What I'm doing here, I'm removing the skins of the pineapple. And you're going to need 2 lovely ripe kiwi to put in your refreshing drinks. So remember to cut these in bite size, and it all depends on the type of blender you will be using. Some blender can handle load better, so make sure you get a good quality blender. I have a coconut here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use part of this coconut, also some coconut water. Now, feel free, if you don't want any coconut water in it, you don't have to put it in there, but you can add some coconut water to it, or normal water. Ensure to cut these up as small as possible to help the blending process. If you're not using a juicer, this is a perfect way to do this. And the kiwi, what I'll be doing with the kiwi is just very simple. Just cut them in half, and then we're going to use a spoon to remove the middle out of it. Very nice and easy. So now it's time to load everything in your blender. And this is the moment we're all waiting for. I'm squeezing 1 whole lemon in this. So ensure to put everything in. Going into the kiwi, we're going to put our pineapple and our coconut and the coconut water straight in. And we're going to ensure this blend out nice and smooth. I'll be adding a bit of honey to this just for balance and just to give it that little extra natural sweetness. And there you have it. What I normally do, I normally part it through a strainer or a sieve. That's personal preference. This tropical kiwi pineapple juice is ready to enjoy. Its natural sweetness and tangy and full of fresh tropical flavor. If you love healthy homemade juice, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy juice recipe. Let me know in the comment what you go to tropical juice. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.